A tiny easy craft is these. You get them on toys on the back where they're strapped. And these have holes in them. I really don't like this one. Normally they have like 4 holes. So there's a hole missing on this one, but you can take this part. I cut my piece so it is a square and it only have the 2 holes, and this is definitely the back side and the front side. Whoops. Then I printed out some tiny pictures, and I hope they're tiny enough. There are. Perfect. And I'm going to take my tape and a strip of my tape, and I'm going to place that over the pictures that I'm going to use, making sure it's sitting nice on here like that. And I'm going to cut them out roughly so they're not as big as they are right now. Put that aside. Here we go. So I have them here, and I'm going to take these and my glue, if I can find it. I have B6000, but you can use almost any glue. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of glue around these, the one of them, and I am placing that one on the picture, so I like it. And I'm going to leave it to dry for a second or two. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it out so you don't see the extra on the front of this. So I have the picture in there, and I'm going to cut this off a bit here on the side. Makes it a bit easier. And again, I'm going to take my glue, turn this around and make sure it's the right way around. Put a tiny bit of glue around and place the picture. In the frame. Leave it to dry for a second or two, and then I'm going to cut that off as well. So now I have 2 pictures in this little thing, looking good on the front but quite bad on the back side. So I'm going to take this paper. This is a bit thicker and a cutting board. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to glue all over this little picture frame, especially in the edge, on the edge. And I'm going to place it on this thicker paper. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut the back paper here to fit this little picture. So I have my little picture frame here with a perfectly nice background. Then I'm going to take this paper again and I'm going to cut a piece that looks like, I'll try to show you, like this. So it's a little taller than my picture frame, but not much. Bend it a little backwards. So I have a tiny bend up here. I hope you can see it. Taking my glue and putting glue on the bend only. Looking on my picture so I get the right side up. So this is up and this is down. So I'm just turning it around like that. And I'm gluing this piece on top of the frame so that it sticks out at the bottom a bit like that. And that will be the foot, and you really should wait till your picture till your glue is dry. But there you go, the picture is standing by itself, and it's a very nice little picture frame. You can paint it gold or silver or whatever you like, or leave it like this. But that is one way to make a very, very cute picture frame of something you have lying around from unpacking toys, especially after Christmas. You should have a few of these lying around. So instead of throwing them out, make a little picture of them and use that for your dollhouse. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.